water's shut off, so we can.
Where that's at? Your water's going through a cross space?
Yeah, but I've got it shut off down in
You'll
the
have
crawl
to
space.
You'll have to disconnect that. We won't be able to disconnect it due to the shut off not being within the spot. So what you know, you'll have to reconnect to that one as well.
Well, I'm wondering if I have to have that new connection.
You don't have.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, sir.
Not anything on top. My coins, you already took that down in that green. Well, they were in the green, I love that refrigerator. Sorry you were alone. It's not your fault. You were fixed to us.
Good, how's it going? Alrighty. So you're gonna take a look in here? Yeah, it'll be tight, but slide through. Around this way is probably gonna be the easiest way to try and
Didn't they bring it in the front door?
Yeah, they brought that old one in the front door. I don't know if it had the doors on it though. Seems like maybe they had to take the front doors off it.
yeah.
He said he'd take Alan. He said he'd take the doors off and he'd go out without any problem, didn't he?
I hope, make sure that taking this door off is gonna be a,
Well, I don't think that's, you're gonna be able to take those doors off and be able to get out, or you won't? These? Oh, take the front door off. The storm door? The actual door. Okay, the screen door's fine. It's this door.
When they brought the old one in, they just took the doors off the fridge. They didn't take anything off the house.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. They said when they brought this one in, they just took the doors off the fridge.
That door off is going right now. Me taking these doors off, I'll be here an extra 10, 15 minutes taking these doors off to get it out of there. When all I need is that door off. Once I get these door handles off,
all the nuts out or whatever they are.
No, he just got to take the pins out of the hinges.
Do it?
Uh huh.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not a big deal to take the front door off. I just
Oh, okay.
they didn't have to before.
Okay, I
See, I gotta take this door off. I gotta take this door off. I gotta take this door off. I'll pop that front door off and it's going right through with no problem because it's a 32 with the doors on and only a 29, 28 with the doors off.
Okay.
The front door is a 35, but from the frame to the door is a 34. It always knock off an inch. So once I get that door off,
Okay.
so I got that
okay.
full 35
Yeah.
right through.
Okay.
This, I don't know. Some people don't think like me, but
Yeah.
that's a lot of work. I
Right.
gotta take this off, take these screws out, take this out, and do this side and do this side. We pop that
Alan,
front
he
door
said
off.
that one's okay. The
This
front
one
door's
right out.
okay. It's just this door.
Yeah, just this one. That's fine. Screen door is fine. You ain't gotta worry about the screen door. We just pop these 3 pins out and that's it. We good. Now if the door went all the way back,
Right.
we wouldn't, you know what I'm saying? We wouldn't need,
Yeah.
we'd be fine. But just pop these 3 pins out and we good to go. Hold on, we come in the inside, come in the inside. Come in the inside and do it. It's easy.
Yeah,
He just reached up there and pulled it out.
They already built a little bit, so they might just slide right out.
I'd say you've had a little experience.
sure.
6 days.
Experience.
Is this table and lamp a problem here? Okay.
No, that's fine.
I'm gonna move your boots, hun.
Yay, it's a winner. All right, I'll let you wrestle with that guy. Oh, sweet. All right. There we go. Thank you, sir.
Somewhere I set my polish down, I don't know where I set it.
Not bad.
Well, it's a different color. That's what I was gonna use last time, but I didn't get them done.
Okay.
I found it.
Okay, first thing, the line that's on there is only like 2 years old.
Y'all pay for it.
Okay, they won't take it back?
If you want, I'll just have to refund it.
Yeah, that'd be fine. That'd be fine, so.
No problem.
Yeah, the one that's on there, like I say, is only 2 years old, so.
'Cause of course that's all the longer the fridge lasted. The one that was 10 years old probably would still be working.
Right, exactly.
But that's what that appliance guy told me, my Barb. He was working on that washing machine that she had that they'd taken from Valpo down to Tip. You know, it was like 40 years old. He said, keep this as long as you can, because if you get a new one, it won't last near this long. And I've heard a lot of people say that the refrigerators now last about a max of 5 years.
Wow.
Because if they put a new compressor on it, the new compressor, you know, like if you just fix the compressor on that one, it would only last another 2 years with that
That's
new
what that
compressor.
guy told
Mhm.
us. Uh-huh.
Yep.
So he told us.
I don't know why they're all making that much junk now, but
I
that's
don't either.
what they're cranking out. Haven't quite understood that.
Yeah, sure.
And we've got to do some things before we go. We can't go way out the front door. You got any plans this weekend? talk to me, huh?
Watch the case. Come to it. This case to your right. Straight up.
Some of Florence's stuff that she dropped on the fingernail and then dried it immediately. That's what she ordered in that little tiny bottle she had. Did you see that little tiny bottle?
No.
My gosh. One that the dimensions of it were like a square quarter.
Wow.
And she bought it from QVC and it arrived and it was in a bottle that size. She was not happy. Of course, I don't know what she gets that she is happy about. Oh, she loves her new carpet. She's got new carpet lying.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Mia got sick and so she had to order, she's got great carpet and then Papa put up
through my video.
her blinds in the front window for her, yes. I thought that guy said they had to do it to make it warranty. They had to do it.
Well, that, I think that's installed line. Installed line.
Actually, I think this one isn't as deep as the.
Mm-mm. I don't think so either.
Swing your side.
I can't believe you guys are hauling that. It's amazing. Makes you look like you're very, very strong.
As a matter of fact, yeah.
Sometimes those two-man straps would be a nice thing to have.
Yeah.
See, they wear that thing on their shoulders, and that strap goes under the fridge, and then they tighten that up.
Oh.
And then when they stand up with it, that's how they get that to pick up.
Wow, I've never seen anything like that.
That's the guys from Sears had that when they delivered the old new one.
All right.
that went in there, I thought she said there was gonna be about an inch on each side. There's not an inch on each side. In fact, there's like,
No, that's all the longer they last.
well, should last longer than 2
Oh, I
years.
agree, it should, but that's what all the,
That's how long they gonna last.
yep, that's about all the longer they last.
They don't make it to last like they used to
I
back in
know.
the day.
Well, I hated to do it because we've never done it before, but took insurance out on this one for 5 years.
Oh, yeah. That was smart.
Yeah, at least for 5 years, we won't have to get another one. We don't have too many 5 more years left in us.
Yeah, you don't say that.
Oh, yeah, yeah, about 4 more.
You got another 5, you got another 10.
Well, I mean, we don't have around here for 5 or 10, more like 20. Gotta have my druthers.
New fridge is installed. It is an LG ThinQ, and it has Wi-Fi, which is kind of stupid. It's got a nice thing on the door, and it also has a nice machine down below. So this thing has this neat thing where you pull up on this handle and it releases a latch. And I feel like LG just calls everything a think. Because their phones, their televisions, and the fridge all say ThinQ on them.